Good morning students. In our previous video we have learned that water is very important for us. All living things on earth need water to survive. Without water we cannot do anything. We use water for cleaning, washing, cooking food, watering the plants and many more. So water is a gift of nature. Children, do you know where do we get water from? We get water from rain. Yes, rain is the main source of water. When water falls on earth in the form of rain, it collects in ponds, lakes and rivers. So these are called sources of water. So today we are going to learn the sources of water. First, pond. Children, do you know what is pond? Pond is a body of water usually smaller than a lake. Means pond is smaller than the lake. What is pond, children? A body of water usually smaller than a lake. Pond can be man-made and pond can be natural. For example, children, do you know farms or fields? In the farm, farmer makes small ponds for the purposing of watering the crops. And do you know, in our Bid district, before 2 years ago, there was a small less rainfall. For this purpose, Pani Foundation and Nam Foundation dig these type of ponds on the hilly areas. Now, second type, that is a lake. Do you know, children, what is lake? A large area surrounded by land. Lake means a large area surrounded by land, and lake is bigger than pond. And lake can be man-made and it can be natural also. Children, mostly lake water is a fresh water and we can drink it. So lake is very important for us. For example, children, do you know, in our Maharashtra some famous lakes are there. Venna Lake at Khandala, Bhandardara Lake at Ahmednagar, Kas Lake at Satara and Lonar Lake. It is in the Buldhana district. All the lakes water mostly fresh water, but Lonar Lake water is not fresh water and it is a salty, so we cannot drink it, and it is not a natural lake. Number third, river. Do you know, children, how rivers forms? River forms from water flows from higher level to lower lower level. Children, how rivers form? River forms from water, flows from higher level to lower level, means higher level to lower level. Means children, rivers forms from water, flows from higher levels to lower level. Most rivers are flows from the hilly areas. When ice and snow melt from the top of the mountain, it flows down towards the ground level, and gradually small streams mix into that flow, and it takes a big form of a river. And for examples, Ganga, Godavari, Yamuna, Kaveri, Krishna, these are the examples of river. In our B district, which river flows? Do you know, children? Yes, our river's name is Bindusara. So mostly river's water is a fresh water, and we can drink it, and we use it for drinking and in many of things. So children, these are the sources of water. But do you know, children, these sources of water gets polluted. Why? Because people throw the garbage into this water. Do you know, children, these sources of water bodies are get polluted. Why? Because of our ignorance. Which type of ignorance? Children, people throw the garbage into the river directly, and this garbage make our river water dirty and impure. If we drink this type of water, we can fall sick. But children, do you know, so many factories are set up on the bank of the river. They use the water for their products, and after using that, their dirty water they directly dump into the rivers, ponds and lakes. Do you imagine, when these factories dirty water dump into the river water get spoiled or it get impure. And do you realize, after this dirty water, the water animals also cannot breathe properly, and they died. And if we drink this type of water, we also can be causes very much of different diseases. So children, we do not spoil our sources of water. If you see anywhere that in river, some people are washing their dirty clothes, some people are washing their cattle, and in the other side some people are filling the water for drinking purpose into their vessels. What happen when you are washing the dirty clothes in the river? Directly you are making the river water impure and dirty, and so that dirtiness some other people are collecting into their pots and they directly drink it. So this is very dangerous situation. So children, we don't have to spoil our water, because water is very precious for us. We cannot make this water in our kitchen, and scientists also cannot make this water into their lab. So children, we have to take care of our water body. Do you know, students, in Rajasthan there is less rainfall and there is no water. People in Rajasthan, especially women, go far off places to get water. They collect the water into the large vessels, and they use water very carefully. They did not waste water, and you also have to save water. Don't waste it, because water is very precious for us. So I hope you understand this lesson. So we will meet into the next lesson.